Talofa and welcome once again to Samoa Entertainment TV. The latest from Faleolo Airport, Apia. This is the arrival. O le vaenga pole tatu malai ba'alele Faleolo pe awhai te le malanga i Samoa. Yo ilo taunu wai ia tatu whai ngā malanga o te atu o ia le customs ia ila e piki ela atu. This will be the complexion of the Faleolo Airport in Apia, the arrival part. Mana ia tatu malai ba'alele le vaenga o iai. And when you arrive in Samoa, there's always a string band at the airport. Kako lau whaatia tato string band. Ia ai pia le o te vai atu lai talo mai security o e le paina pu e te I malai ba'alele. Ia sarola whaangatai I think one of the security is waving that you are not allowed to take videos of the arrival. This is what happened in Samoa. You're not allowed to take videos of most of the public places. So this will be it. You have seen it. And I will come back to you later on when I leave Samoa and I will take some footage of the upstairs departure lounge. Yeah, lava il tato watalanga lai kalo mai security ole atu puan tato wata pe out for mai I sila. Yeah, ole whai nganga o tato me Samoa whaasanga pu ele wapu whaasanga pu e malai ba'alele. So se vaenga o public places for ye tele ana whaasanga pu e. Ia le whapenga ka ko ngi whafo I sila o Stadium America. And this is Faleolo Airport entrance. Alofa and welcome Faleolo International Airport. Ia ole tula leo ai ta mali pafo. That's the other part. That's where the cars are coming out of the airport. And hopefully that Samoa will open up sooner than later. Yeah, pa moia le tua ia. Baden tala mai Samoa tatu to e malanga atu. Te enjoy tatu lau panua. That's looking at the Faleolo Airport from the outside. Ia le ba ia tuna tatu malai ba'alele. Sa lo telefo inisiata o e mai mo iai. Au leo o saula o to e malanga I sila. O le tanina po ina I a ele tapunia tata wala ba'a. The airport footage was taken before COVID-19. Mga iyo kako malay ba'alele bayan o wiyay. Samoa Airport is so different now than what we used to have before. It was a very small airport, but it's been extended, and the new building up, as you can see. Samoa, it's got nice beaches, it's warm, the people are very friendly. If you're looking for a place for holiday, Samoa is on the top 10 best beaches in the world. So yeah, come down when the borders are open. Yeah, right in front of the airport now. This is the new area where we took the first videos, the arrival, and this is the new extension. Faleolo Airport was started from the far end, the departure area. O le tu o le sa fai mo mua, o le tato malai ba'alele le o le departure ia po sau ne tenga malanga mo tunu I papu ai fai umai I le arrivals left umana mai ona fosia Ia o le vaenga le tonu o ia officer o customs fa ia o pepa malanga, the customs area. And underneath the airport, the first floor is there is a cafe. And looking at those, what do you call them? These are the passengers boarding bridges, and Samoa has 3 of them. Yeah, oh, tato awala nga sa balia ile balele, anga iba balele pe anga i fo de balele. Toru la tato awala fa pe o lo el tato mala balele Samoa. O awala nei le fa ingole fa palang ni ole. Passengers boarding bridges. Yeah, all the sky bridges. Yeah, male pale ingala le pito ilalo. Ite alo malo fa yo pepa e ka mailo I baenga le inwa sa with coffee. The underground, the first floor cafe, and the departure lounge is upstairs. I will take you upstairs as well. I tatuanga e kulea nga ilunga. Yeah, ole vaenga le e do atu ia custom officers at work on the far end. Yeah, tatu anga ilunga o paskepu ia mana awala lea. This is going upstairs to the departure lounge. Oh, vaenga la lea nga ia ilunga ile. Ile vaenga fo I olo o malangai lo ifafo ia mga ia tul palele. This is all new. And looking at some of the shops up there. Yeah, o te taunu maigele I ko kelingi siwa taunu mali malai balele. I was earlier, so not many people at the airport now. It's all the shops in the waiting area. Beautiful shops. All the Samoan fashion being updated. Ya kelo kako la e Samoa matoa suya ya le pai ngai pe ngai ai. Manai ala e nei of tino mo ngai fa mol foi pe a foi mai ainga small shops. Ya apa tini malanga Samoa ya ole pa inga le uia I lunga le whanga Faleolo ma ile o le departure area na e saune mo le pa lele pa yellow pa tau. All the shops upstairs. You can buy your souvenir, something from home for your loved ones. Ma ye Faleolo. Shops are very nice. The clothes, the shirts, the skirts, the dresses, very nice. It's just beautiful. Look at all those beautiful shirts. And just looking downstairs. Well, looking at this window outside, ole ba ia kule ipapo o ile no fonga fo ile ole the sauni mai tangata check in. This just looking outside from upstairs, the departure lounge into the ground floor where all are checking in. Ya o fapo I olai tanga ia tu ia I lato fo ia malato ato la saungi o e check in. Au le pu aku ngako waka I lunga I le departure lounge. Saungi e mole. Malanga I papo, ia. O au wala sabali lana le balele e tolu tato o wala sabali e te o na whaelo o momoatu. Samoa has 3 passengers boarding bridges. That's the other one. Yo, kasi nga awala aga I balele. This is all new to Samoa. Yeah, it full me ya kato. Sama sanyenta to sama bali awal sabali ho lele papo. Ya le ua. Ile ne swing pa mama abenga po imo. Na ta mama tina mati tua. Faleolo Airport in Samoa. Tatu malai ba lele I Samoa ya. Pia no payantu. O tane na pu ai I o mai fa ma il COVID-19 pa ingole. O te sanga lenta ande ole amatanga o te sanga le nei lua pe was full. Now more people are coming in as I was earlier. Yeah, look what I tell you, mate. Yeah, le au. Wale ba no sau le ita tayo na tumu mai. Yeah, le la wa tumu mai yeah le au. Malanga nias. I was one of the first to be at the airport and up there. But now there are more people coming in. Ya, lewa tanga ia tula ile tula ngapo lewa yenta to blai ba lele le tupa ilunga olalo ya male baenga la le ile sound ile malanga ola aga ile ba lele o falo loa o fale ainga falo loa e pai lau patau tele anai tanga ta papae Ele po polisi o lo ia Samoa le nei ba tau. Ai le o mat pa ma. Mana ia le mama. Very nice and clean and you can see that's all new. It's just wonderful. I can't wait to go back to Samoa. Wah, ya buat Samoa mele ya tatu on sat matalo lele. Package bar and cafe. Luar festival wibana mai anele ya di fausi ai non ta som le banel pe olen ta talon alo ia li si ba na le ole arrivals venue au curso luar festival maliba. I think this is my friend. She works here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, so when I take a photo. Beautiful shot. Yeah. One car I find the man Samoa jersey. Ya, tanga ya tunga ipapo ni. le pito le la sau ni ai e aga I papo. Le ba le so. We are departing from this side today. Nonsense. Here is telling me to go to the plane now. Yeah, but yet not la umalanga. So I'm just walking down, making my way to the airport and walking through Malo, the passenger boarding bridge, and this is it. Going to the plane, to Samoa, on my way back home. Miss Samoa, and this is it. So if you have not been to Samoa, this is all what it looks like. You're not walking on a tarmac anymore. Hello, Malo, back, and into the plane. Thank you, guys. Yeah, here's my boarding pass. Yep, thank you. And, into the plane. Hopefully you have enjoyed our video. Các mọi sẽ tiếp tục video lên bạn lên Samoa. And yes. Can't wait to go back to Samoa, but thank you for watching Samoa Entertainment TV. And we'll see you another time. Pak tay lên mai time to Samoa Entertainment TV. Until then, goodbye for now. Adios. That's what.